It's time to rebuild a water damaged line extender. Actually, I'm replacing a C-core line extender for an ATX. The C-core had some water damage, but the main issue was the housing to housing adapter. It was losing way too much signal. It was the same amount of work replacing the whole amp instead, the housing to housing adapter. Now let's get the housing to housing prepped. Now that the housing to housing adapter is prepped and installed, I'm going to tighten the seizure screw. Let's terminate the unused ports on the tap. Now let's prep the tap for install. Now that the tap and input connector are on, let's put the module in and get ready to cut this in. Time to cut out the old equipment. We are going to remove the shrink off, disconnect, and transfer the pin connector to the new LE. There's a splitter on the input, so I have disconnect the connector from that and fully remove the old LE. Now the time to connect the new line extender. One last connection, then I can balance the output. The output is way too high. Time to pat it down. Now that's the right signal. Let's wrap this rebuild up.